schedules are schedules, right? There's the paper schedule, there's the real schedule, and you put together a schedule on paper, there's always going to be a reality check as you go out the door about what's possible. So we've done it here time and time again where we have a schedule that we just think is impossible, but you pull the village together, you pull the team together, and like I said before, the whole power team makes it happen.
We're pretty excited about the transformation that this new housing will have.
A number of buildings have come up in my time here, and I've seen the campus change its complexion in terms of how people access the campus.
I see this project transforming that corner, especially with the the plan to do retail as well.
This is another case where we're building a large magnet in a different area of campus, and it will change where people congregate. That's an important change.
Everyone wants the newest thing, and I would imagine that when lottery time comes, that we're going to have people lining up to be in these spaces and to have the opportunity to be the first ones to live there.
I think in this particular case, the bar is getting raised another 2 or 3 notches where we have to have student housing by next August. That's an eye blink away. It seems like you have 8 months, 9 months, but that's going to go by really quick. So yeah, I think this particular project is very remarkable in the timeline. If you want to call no more projects, a lot of projects are fast tracks. This is more of a flash track.
The mystique of modular is really hidden so that you are free to design as you would if you were stick-built.
The biggest difference between modular and stick-built is modular is done inside a factory, inside an enclosed environment.
But these guys can get a jump on a factory, not be subject to weather condition, and then ship it down in a truck and put it together. It addresses the sense of urgency I think that everyone here has, that they want new student housing, and they can get it by next fall.
The weather outside today is about a balmy 35 degrees with quite a bit of rain and snow and sleet throughout the day. Our people were able to come inside the building where it's about 68 degrees with a radiant heat floor, and it's just like a sunny day in the middle of July. For instance, we can build the floor system, the wall systems, and the roof system all at the same time and bring them all together at one moment. And now we've been working very closely with EYP, Kirchhoff Campus Properties, and Consigli, the construction manager, to go through the plans and make sure that we have every detail right and it's ready to go. It's the right way to do a project.
The character, we'll say the historic character of the campus, running through kind of a northern section of the Trinity as Vernon Street, which is a collection of homes built at the turn of the century, which reflect a colonial, craftsman, Victorian character. And it was important for Trinity to have this project kind of reflect that character in a residential environment. It's a combination of brick and clapboard and shingle siding, using strong colors in the Victorian palette as well as the craftsman palette. It's incorporating strong roof lines to bring scale down on the street. It's a 3-story complex, and to create more of a 2-story feel on the street elevations, we use these strong roof lines to incorporate dormers, large dormer elements into the roofscape, which again were predominant in the Vernon Street vernacular on the campus.
If you're talking about something that's going to happen 2 years from now in the life of a student, that's centuries, and so I think the timing is works for us quite well, and I look forward to it. When you're working towards a common goal, it's there's anticipation and there's a little bit of excitement, and I think it's actually kind of fun. It takes you out of your normal routine, and we've got some great people who work here, and the team of people who are working on your end are wonderful. So it makes the interaction, it's something that is out of the ordinary, but still something that you anticipate and look forward to.